What's up, you guys? Hope you all are doing good. This is your friend Glam Girl Megha. Today I've got one DIY hair mask for you for my frizzy and dead hair. So let's get into the. So as you can see, guys, the condition of my hair. I have lost the count of how many times I have colored my hair, and but however, the last time when I colored my hair, it has damaged my hair. Oh god, I can't tell you how much it has damaged my hair. As you can see, the ends of my hair, they are dead. There is no shine. It's so rough, and the hair is also falling after using that colored product. I'm definitely going to show you in my regret video, which is going to be up soon on my channel, so stay tuned for that. What color I have used, and after that my hair was damaged. So I have got a solution for this. So today I'm going to show you the DIY hair mask, which works beautifully for the hair fall, and it will bring back all the dullness that is lost from my hair. It will bring back all the shine and all the glossiness, and it will also make my hair smooth and soft. So I'm going to show, there are only 3 ingredients which I'm going to use for this hair mask, and which will be available with everyone. So let's get into that. The first ingredient is coffee. You can use this coffee as per your hair length. I've taken 3 tablespoons of a big tablespoon of coffee, 3 tablespoons of coffee as per your hair length. As we all know the benefits of coffee, it will not only change a little bit of hair color. I'm not sure about the color changing factor of coffee, however it will definitely nourish my hair, that is for sure, because I'm not doing this for the first time. I'm using this pack, I guess, for more than 1 year, so I know that it really works. And the second ingredient is curd. Any curd, homemade curd. This is the curd that I bought from outside. However, the best will be if you use the homemade curd which is made at your home. So we will require this 2 to 3 tablespoons. My hair is little medium size, so I will need 3 tablespoons of this. And the third ingredient is hair oil. I'm not going to recommend you to use this hair oil, because you can use any hair oil of your choice. So this was the hair oil which was recommended to me by my doctor. You can use any hair oil: coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, any oil of your choice. We will tablespoon of hair oil. And I'll use the curd. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of this as well, and we will make a mixture of this, a nice paste, and make sure that there will be no lumps. So this should be the consistency of the pack. There should be no lumps in it. Okay, now let's apply this. So this is the consistency. Hope you can see this. Now what I'll do is, I'm not going to do any fancy method of taking any brush. The best way to apply any hair mask is with your hands. So I'm going to just part my hair into 2 sections like this, and with my fingers itself I'm going to start applying the product. Take it on my hand and start applying from both the sides. And you can apply this product on your ends, especially, not only on your scalp but also on your ends, because my ends were dead. That's the reason I'm using this pack. So take this pack, apply it on your ends like this. Hope you can see this. Apply it on your ends. Make sure you apply a good amount of pack on your end. Okay, so I am going to do this thing to the entire hair. I'll section it. Take small section take small sections and do it. So guys, I have applied the entire pack on my hair and made a bun. I'm going to keep this pack for an hour. After that, I'm going to wash this with any mild shampoo or any regular shampoo that you're going to use. Make sure don't use any conditioner because there is no need of conditioner because you have already used curd and hair oil in this. So don't use the conditioner, just use any mild shampoo. So I have almost kept this pack for more than an hour. So I'm going to wash my hair and I'll show you the result. So I've just washed my hair. I just took a bath because it was a messy hair mask. So this is the condition right now of my hair. I'm going to show you once it is totally dry. So guys, I have washed my hair as you can see, and I have not applied any serum. Also, I have not any conditioner because there was no need for any conditioner when you use coffee and curd because they are already a moisturizing agent. As you can see, they are super soft. I can't tell you how much soft they are, and there was less breakage as compared to the previous hair, and they're super soft. I can smell coffee also in my house. The smell of coffee, the aroma is around. So you can see the texture of my hair. I can easily, even my fingers are moving in my hair now. So guys, as you can see, it smells heaven. If you love coffee, though I'm a chai lover, but sometimes I drink coffee. This smells so good, I can't tell you, and they are super silky and soft. I'm so happy with this. I hope you like this remedy, so do give it a try. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below if you're going to try this pack or not, and my Instagram handle is the Glam Girl Megha. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.